So today we are replacing battery for the smoke detector, and without wasting any more time, let's start right away. So this is the smoke detector that we are replacing its battery, and this is the new battery that we would like to replace into the smoke detector. So right away we need to, this is the interface that holds onto the ceiling, as you can see. So it's the one that holds firmly the smoke detector. So I'm assuming that we have already removed this interface that holds firm onto the ceiling the smoke detector. So right away, let me show you how we can replace this. And so this is the back side of the smoke detector, and it has two screws here that are holding the cover that holds the battery firmly. So we need to first unscrew this using our small Phillips screwdriver. So let's unscrew this right away so that we can get the battery. That is the first screw that we've removed. So we go to the second one. This is the second screw that we need to unscrew so as to open and have access to the battery that we would like to replace. So right away we get this out. So this is the cover. This is the cover that we have removed. And this is the battery, which is non-functional. And we would like to replace it with the new battery. So right away we can just gently remove the battery, remove those two wires, the red and black cables, rather wires, and one holds the negative at this terminal. This terminal is the negative, and then the other terminal is the positive. So right away we disconnect these two cables of the battery. And then gently remove the non-functional battery, which is here, and get our new one. Insert it back here into the battery area, and right away connect it. You can hear some beeping sound, I think, and that is a sign that our battery is functioning well. So we have to sit it back into the smoke detector, and then right away we put back our cover, put back the cover, and then put back the screws. Hope you're hearing that beeping sound, a sign that the battery is functional. And we screw this, tighten the screw, get the second screw also here, and then we tighten the screw. So once we are done, this is it. As you can see, you can get it has that beeping sound. So once we are done, we can then put back our smoke detector onto the ceiling, onto the interface that holds it to the ceiling, which is this one, and it always has this that lines straight with this one here. Oops. Then you slide it gently. That is the beeping alarm that it gives to show that the battery is functioning. It will even display some light there. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much. See you soon. Cheers.